Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. San Gabriel, local and long-distance movers near me. With the help of a good long-distance moving company, relocation becomes easier. Whether you're moving across the country or just one state over, we provide just what you need. Our team provides you with the best moving services for your move, and we protect your belongings. When you hire us, you'll gain access to the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. A local California moving company will provide you with all the necessary moving help. When you hire the right team of movers, you don't need to do any heavy lifting. They will take care of everything, save you time, and ensure you get the best experience possible. If you want to get settled into your new home faster, a local moving company is necessary. Professional movers such as 3 Movers offer the right moving options to streamline your move. We also make moving so much simpler with the best services for your move. Our team will get you moved in faster. If the move would take you 3 days, we can get it done in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Gabriel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.